Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today you will learn how to delete call history on Facebook Messenger. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to Messenger application. After opening Messenger, you will have to navigate to the chat where the call history is located. This is the call history. As you can see, when I hold this call history, I don't get any option. But when I hold a message, I will have these four options: reply, copy, pin and more. And if I click on more, I will have the option to remove this message. But you don't get this message when you select an audio call. So in order to remove this audio call from your chats, you will have to navigate to Play Store. Go to the search bar, type in Facebook Lite. Install this Facebook Lite application. After this application gets installed, click on open, then log into this application using your user credentials. After you log in, you'll have to click on this messenger icon at the top of the screen. When you click on messenger, this will open up all the messages you would have. Now open the message where the call history is located. So this is the call history. Now in order to delete this, I will have to long press this and I will get the option to delete for me. So I will click on delete for me and select yes. When I do that, I will have successfully removed this call history from my Facebook Messenger. I will select this again, click on delete for me, select yes, and this will remove this call history from my chats. Now I will get back to Messenger, and as you can see, two call histories located just right here has been deleted. So that's the simple way you can delete call history on Facebook Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.